Hey, Steve Drew here with the Drew team at Southwest Mountain Realty. I'm coming at you again with another market update. This one for July 20th, 2022. I want to tell you what's going on. Last time we spoke, I was showing you that the market was shifting. Well, the market has shifted and we are now in the midst of what that looks like. We're also in the midst of Arizona summer, which has an impact on the market. Anyway, let me get back and just show you the numbers so we can see what is going on. As of today, right now, we've got 16,400 or so active homes in the valley. That's up about 30% from last month. Pending homes, these are homes that are under contract. There's been agreement made, they're going to sell. 8,600 of those right now. That's down about 15% from 60 days ago. And then closed homes in the last 31 days, 7,000 homes. That's down just a little bit as well, but not significantly. All of that to say this, the current market in the Phoenix Valley is about 2 months of inventory. So we're not back to what we traditionally think of as a balanced market. It's still technically a seller's market, but it has certainly shifted quite a bit. So we're out of that frenzy where homes are selling the first day with multiple offers and buyers don't have a chance. Those days are not now, but it's actually a good thing, and there are benefits for both buyers and sellers. And I know what you're thinking is, how can it benefit both? Well, I'm going to tell you, but I also want you to understand this Arizona summer has an impact. When I talked to you 60 days ago, we were looking at end of school year. Then we came into the holidays. Then you have people on vacation, and we literally, in most of the schools in this area, are going back to school this week or next week. That's had a huge impact on the market. So if you're looking at national numbers and seeing doom and gloom and all this fear, it's not what's happening here. Let me explain that. So for sellers in this market right now, it's technically still your market, but it's obviously a huge softening from where it was. The reality is it's more important than ever that you are priced correctly. But that means if you are, you're going to get all the equity that you gained in the last 2, 3, 4, 5 years. None of that's gone away. All of that benefit is still there. But it's way more important to have an expert on your side that can show you how to market it properly and how to get it priced appropriately so you make the most money. But you have a great opportunity right now. Buyers, the world has changed. The sun has come out. It is a massive difference for you. You've got more than 3 times as many homes available to look at as we did just 60 days ago. In fact, we're seeing such a shift that people who overpriced have had to come down a little bit and even be flexible on things like maybe giving a little bit of seller concession, certainly not requiring people to waive their inspections or their appraisals. It is a wonderful time for you. If you got out of the market, this is the time to get back in. And if you're someone that needs to sell and wants to buy, this is your opportunity. We can show you how to get there. That's our aim, to help you reach your goals. I hope that's helpful. If you have questions, I want to encourage you. Shoot us an email, give us a call, check us out on social media, head to our website, findmyhomeinaz.com. Let's get you the answers you need. So if this is the right time, you make the decision that's right for you. All the best.